In a world governed by the relentless pursuit of innovation, there was a perfumer named Eliza who sought to push the boundaries of fragrance to its very limits. In her dimly lit laboratory, she crafted a perfume unlike any other. She called it Spectre's Scent. The fragrance was whispered about in the darkest corners of the internet, its reputation spreading like wildfire. Spectre's Scent held a chilling promise. It could summon and control ghosts. When sprayed, it allowed the user to interact with spirits, unlocking a realm beyond mortal comprehension. But the allure came at a price. Eliza, driven by her insatiable curiosity, was the first to test the perfume. As the ethereal mist settled around her, she felt a cold presence in the room. Ghostly apparitions materialized, whispering forgotten secrets and tales of the afterlife. It was intoxicating, and she became obsessed. Over time, Eliza used the perfume repeatedly, seducing the spirits with her newfound power. She reveled in their company, but with each encounter, she felt a piece of herself slipping away. Her skin grew translucent, her laughter hollow, and her heart colder with each spray. One fateful night, as Eliza gazed into a mirror, she saw not her own reflection, but a phantom's visage staring back.